The name Grillseeker, its origin really. There's sort of three meanings around it, and it's kind of a riff on the word thrill seeker. And there, plenty of people go to an amusement park, and that will be their thrill for the day. My thrill is the smell of lit charcoal. The smell of wood burning and prepping meat and making a fire and putting that meat over a fire and watching it cook. So that is just such a thrill for me. So that's the first part of it. The second part really is, the name itself is a riff on a thrill seeker, and what I encourage people to do constantly with my recipes is make them your own. If you're comfortable following my recipe to a T, by all means. Like, I obviously think they're pretty good, but I encourage people to make them your own. So do what you do to these recipes and create something that you're really proud of and share it. So that's number two. And lastly, it's again my thrill for outdoor cooking. I'm not really married to any specific type of cooking. Of course, I've got my favorites. I love low and slow barbecue, but I'm just as happy to put some chickens on the rotisserie and watch those spin, or put a big piece of meat on my Santa Maria style cooker and watch that cook. So seeking a new grill, a new cooking vessel for me is just something I really enjoy doing. And at this point in life, there's probably not many grills that I haven't cooked on in the past. So that's where it came from. I'm Matthew Eads. I'm a cookbook author and founder of Grillseeker.com.